Hey! So I found out this new YouTuber. Her name is Dolly Singh.
Okay, looks familiar. I like her cover photo. Spill the sass.
And she has nice content, like few funny future conversations, how to be body positive.
Very nice.
But I found this one video.
How to know he a star Uckbois.
So here goes nothing.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dolly Singh. I also realized that a lot of you guys here who are new don't really know my name because it's not written anywhere.
It's written in your video. It's written here.
It's not written anywhere. So girls, let's just get there. Boys, get the
Boys, get the fuck out.
I'm sorry guys, no video for you. Chalo bye. अब क्या चल रहा है?
First thing is that he is gonna be nice AF in the beginning. The first 2 times he meets you, he's gonna be the nicest man of them all. And you are gonna think, I'm a princess.
So how to not be a fuckboy is don't be nice. Don't be nice in the first specifically 2 times when you go out with a girl.
And women, the moment you feel like a princess, you gotta know he's a fuckboy.
I'm a princess. He is my prince. He treats me like a princess, so you know. So you know, it's just to get into your. I don't want to say it.
What? Why don't you want to say it? Pants is such an offensive term.
Timing, which for him is always off.
Premature ejaculation.
You will send him a sweet text message saying hi sometime.
Sweet text message is hi. Deepjyot, hi. Oh, don't come your pants already, bro.
Saying hi sometime around the daytime at 2 in the noon, and he will take 7 hours to reply, and around 11 in the night.
That's 9 hours.
But he will reply at 11 in the night saying, babe, you up? Wanna chill? To which my reaction is,
What about the possibility that he might be busy in those 9 hours?
Or disinterested. And for that reaction, I'm texting you after a whole fucking tiring day of work, and you're giving me that reaction. I actually genuinely want to chill. What about that then?
and he is the same boy who when you meet is actually constantly on his phone. He will never ever make any daytime plans with you.
Okay, she's saying if a guy is disinterested, doesn't want to reply to your fucking boring text, takes 7 hours, which actually was 9. And then raat ko agar chill karna cha raha hai, okay, he's giving you another second chance, okay. Disinterested and finding you boring is not a fuckboy.
He is a real busy man or making a career, but
Apparently that's a wrong thing. That's a wrong thing.
Fuckboys make a career.
Guys, don't run after your ambitions. Fuck your career. Fuck it.
अरे क्या कर रहा है यार अब बचा नहीं यार करियर चला ही देते हैं क्या करें
labels make me feel so organized. Boyfriend, not boyfriend, friend, friend with benefits.
डॉली, पहले तुम्हें fuckboy से दिक्कत थी, तुम्हें sex से दिक्कत थी, अब तुम कह रहे हो कि okay labels, friends with benefits, ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना, and then you're saying, what is this behavior, Dolly?
पूजा what is this behavior
What is this behavior, Dolly?
Pooja, what is this behavior?
Ghost, which is what you are in his life.
Amiche toma.
You really go out in public. You don't really go out for dates. All he wants to do is Netflix and chill.
What if I actually want to watch Netflix? Dolly, don't tell me what to do.
You don't tell me what to do.
I can tell you what
You
to do.
do not tell me what to do. You do not tell me what to do.
Dolly, don't tell me what to do.
Babe, why don't you send me a picture of you? You know what kind of picture I'm talking about.
Oh.
In every argument, he's gonna play the victim. didn't send me that selfie the other day. Remember? Every other girl in his life is crazy.
Well, he's hanging out with you. His type seems to be crazy.
For a few days, these guys will just take a break. Just for 7 days, they'll be out of it.
Oh, ये तो हमारी बात कर रही है.
They will send no text messages, no Snapchats will coming, nothing.
Well, the guy told you to Snapchat before and you didn't.
Remember?
After 7 days of not replying to your messages or
Are you sure this time it was 7? Because last time it was 9.
and they're gonna give some lame ass excuse saying, I was just busy with work. This is something I learned while debating in school. Last, but definitely not the least.
Oh, she learned something in school.
They never call because they're not comfortable. I mean, how can you?
Actually, don't want to talk, man.
Yeah, there could be 10 billion things.
Because you're so awkward on text, why would I want to gamble on a fucking call? At least on text, I have the luxury of time to deal with your bullshit.
If he says these things, wanna cheer you up?
Okay, so checking if the girl is awake means you're a fuckboy. Asking a woman to chill with you makes you a fuckboy. I don't even know how to talk to women anymore.
What would you do if I were there with you right now? Shower without me? Bath without me?
Roses are red, yellow are kele. I'm going to take a shower. Akele.
Food without me? Party without me?
Life without you.
Oh yeah.
Party.
Party. He is. I'm gonna see you next time, but if you wanna see more of.
Why are you going to see me? I don't appreciate this. Are you asking for nudes? Are you asking me to be on your Snapchat? I don't like this. Well, Dolly, you're asking for it. You're dying for it.
Do you want it?
I don't
Because
want
you're
to.
asking for it. You're dying for it.
You're dying for it.
Kick back, chilling out, maxing, relaxing. Summertime weather, fantastic. Kick back.
Get off my back.